It would be a challenge to pinpoint the most classic dish in Asian American cuisine. Of course, you have your lo mein, your egg rolls, and so many different kinds of chicken.
However, there might be one dish that is more authentic than the rest, and that would be fried rice. This is Jack Chen. He's back with us again. He's the owner of Lucky Star Restaurant in Fruitland. Now, among others, he's showing us how it's done, the fried rice, today in Delmarva Life. It's good to see you. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you for having me today here.
Is this a difficult thing to master?
This kind of like basic dishes for Chinese dishes, but it's also very test to show you the cooking skill.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's like things that basic, but it's kind of like difficult.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
All right. Well, what do we do first? You already have this pan heating up.
It is good now. So, see, and the first step, so we have to wait till the pan gets hot.
Okay.
And then we put some oil, right?
And what kind of oil do you use?
We use the vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil. Okay.
And then we're going to do some eggs.
So, did you whip these eggs up a little bit?
Yes.
He was smart enough tonight and let me do the eggs.
It's without the shells.
Oh,
yeah.
And we can use some of the onions.
Onion.
Right.
Okay.
And peas and carrots.
Peas and carrots.
Right.
Well, you're hitting my favorite so far.
You see?
And you typically do this with a gas stove, so there's usually flame. And you said you use that a little bit in the whole process.
I like to use the gas stove. It's better because the cooking heat is more. I can more controls, and then it's more heavy.
Right. And Lucky Star, you're in Fruitland, right?
Yes, we are in the Fruitland Food Line Shopping Center.
In the Food Line Shopping Center in Fruitland. You've been there for a while.
Yeah, it's about 15 years.
Wow.
So now we have to put the rice. So that rice usually we use the cold rice. It's not the hot rice, right? Or either one. You can use the hot if you like to, right? But I like to use the cold rice.
Why?
Yeah.
How come?
How come? Because the cold rice is easier for the rice. Every piece you have to a pot, right? So to make the fried rice to become good, you have to making sure every piece of the rice is apart, not stick together.
Now, is there a particular kind of rice? Because you go to the grocery store and you can see all kinds of rice. You've got sushi rice, you've got long grain.
Yeah, I can use like sushi rice, or but you cannot use the sticky rice.
Okay, don't use sticky rice.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense.
So now I'm going to put some salt, right?
Oh,
not much, right?
You know, salt, right?
And then we put we call it like chicken powders.
Chicken powders?
Yeah, it's kind of made from chicken. Yep.
Is that kind of like bouillon?
It's kind of like seasoning.
Seasoning, okay.
Yeah, more like natural seasoning.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So first we have to make the rice. You see, they're still heating up, right? So if we use the gas stove, so the heat temperatures it gonna be like controls better.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for the fried rice. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
And we are almost done. So before we put in paint, we put some scallions, right? Yeah, scallions. It will help the smell better. Okay. Are you ready, Jamie?
You ready, Jimmy?
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
And if you remember, last time you were here, you taught Jimmy how to use chopsticks, so you've been practicing, right, Jimmy?
No.
All right.
All right, which one?
So are we ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This
and
one?
we can put two separate dishes.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
We can put
hello.
like this. All right. All right, let's go. Shrimp fried rice.
Shrimp fried rice. I'm excited.
I like myself too.
Jack, I get this funny feeling you take a lot of pride in this being done right.
Perfect. All right, Jimmy, did you
I'm making me a fork.
We got to eat it?
learn this?
Oh,
Yes.
my. Thank you.
You can use the spoon or chopstick or fork.
Or fork.
Right, yeah.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
But you only had two. You didn't get one. Do you want to bite of mine?
I don't need one. I have this all the time.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, because if you want to bite, I was going to suggest Lisa's.
All right. Is
You
this
know, I
smell
didn't even
good?
know about the egg.
Right?
That is delicious, Jack.
You like? Thank you so much.
I love it. Lucky Star Restaurant located in Fruitland on 13 in the Food Line Shopping Center. And you are going to be open for dining in about a couple weeks.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Jack. So good to see you in the Del Mar Life Kitchen.
My pleasure to be
Love
here.
it when you come by. Can't wait till you come back.